Gentlemen, it's been a bit of time. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Just a quick whiz around the greenhouse. As you can see there, it's 11.6 inside. Let's have a look. Let's see what it's outside. Rain. And 7.9 on the first one, first sensor. 5.1 on the one in the shade. So let's look at these first. These are my poppies. As you can see, some have been attacked by the slugs and snails, but I've reseeded these and I've caught the slugs and snails that are responsible for the mess. My new little picture, which I'm really pleased with. Look at those, absolutely amazing. So we'll have a look at the in here, shall we? See what the temperature's like. 19.6 there. Get that up there like so. And these are looking really, really well. I have got germination of my carnations, my penstemon seeds here, all three germinating really well. Have we got anything over here? Shall we have a quick look at that, shall we? I can't see anything germinating there. No. So no no petunia seedlings sprouting there. Look over here, shall we? Number 2, propagator. So we have Veronica, really well. That bit's dried out, which is not very good. And then we have down here bee balm, yep. And then verbena over here, really good. And delphiniums. We come over there, there are my arboritas, my little test, and all three have germinated really well. All three types of compost: cocoa coir, peat free, and peat free in the middle. As we come down here, these are the genomes. These are ones that had some slug and snail damage. So out of 15 seeds, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm over the moon with those germination rates. Absolutely amazing. And then just go in here. These are my polyanthus. These were taken out of the heater propagated because they do prefer a cooler climate to germinate. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 seeds germinated there with the polyanthus, which is absolutely amazing. And then let's have a look at these, shall we? In the last few days I've had a few deliveries, so let's see what we've got here, shall we? We have got, these are my Thompson and Morgan lot. I've got some from somewhere else, some more from Mr. Fothergill's. Yeah, all those are from Mr. Fothergill's. Go through those in a second. And these from Thompson and Morgan. These, so we have, let's go through. Usania, New Day mixed F1 hybrids, Opium Poppy, Papaver, Pitniflorium, huge doubles, some more Polyanthus, which I got those when I thought the ones that I'd got weren't germinating correctly. Then we have Petunia hybrid, Grandfolia, for those to one side. Gaillardia, Razzle Dazzle mix, some more Opium Poppy, some more double ones. Then we have Petunias, Purple Perotti, Thompson Morgan, half hardy annual, but you can grow these as a perennial, so that's a bit misleading. Then we have some Mimulus hybrids, Hybridus, Monkey Magic, I do like the look of those. And then we have some Echinaceae, but they're from Mr. Fothergill. So keep those to one side. This is my container for my seeds. Here we have Echinacea, really well. Some free tomato seeds with that order. Hosta mix, I'm looking forward to sowing those. Sow those next couple of days. Bananas, Musa Onseti. These are Chinese, found in the mountains, from what I've read about those. So we have Antirrhinum, Mr. Fothergill's rust resistant mix, half-hardy perennial. Look at this, shall we? Gadesha dwarf mix, that looks absolutely amazing. Some tomatoes and some more Gadesha dwarf mix, so 2 lots of those. Yeah, so I've got a lot of seeds to enter over the next few days, few weeks. So let's have a whisk around here and just check on my LED grow light setup. Here we have These are my 2 sets that I bought from Wilko's. Bought this separate to the top, and then I also got these online. This was from Amazon. And the heat mat underneath, which has got a temperature control there, but I use the digital one there. And all that setup was like £35–40 I think, but that's really good. That if you want to get one like that double size for £80, costs you a couple £100 anywhere else. So as we come down here, we have, look at these, shall we? Yeah, at the back there, my begonias plugged in front of that, and my dahlias that are doing really, really well, and then my geraniums, my perennial geraniums, that are looking really, really well. So yeah, that's everything done. If you've got any questions about anything at all sowing and growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please subscribe and like. Say bye monkey, bye Paul, bye everybody.